We've added a Netbox plugin support for Netpicker, and in this video, we're gonna see how to install it. So installing the plugin is actually very easy. We can do it in 3-4 steps only, but there are some prerequisites. Obviously, you have to have an instance of Netbox running either locally or anywhere else, but you should have an instance installed and set up correctly. Mine is running locally, and as you can see, since I don't have the plugin installed, there is nothing showing here on the left hand side. There is no indication of the plugin or Netpicker. So I'm gonna go to my environment. This is the Netbox environment, and the instance is running on all ports 8080. Now, what I want to do here is go to another terminal, and I want to activate the same virtual environment that Netbox is using. So let me do that, source, and if you followed the default Netbox installation before, yours should be under the exact same path of Netbox when being activated. Now, if I source this, I'm going to be in the same virtual environment as Netbox. So that means if I install any package like Netbox Netpicker Plugin, Netbox can also read from this package because we are part of the same virtual environment. So here I'm going to say pip install. Now the plugin name is Netpicker Netbox plugin. Mine should be already installed, but you can go ahead and install it the same way. Now the plugin is installed. Now the first thing you should do regarding Netbox is you have to find this file configuration.py. Again, which if you follow the default installation should be under opt netbox configuration.py. Once you find this, you will search for plugins here. And if this is the first time you're adding a plugin, yours should be exactly the same, should be commented out. So what you need to do is uncomment this, and in here, you should add Netpicker, which is different than the package name, which was Netpicker Netbox plugin. Now, we're not done yet. We have to also run some migrations for the actual models to take place. Now, we're going to use the script manage.py, which is under, in my case, netbox manage.py, and I'm going to say migrate. Again, I've done the migrations before, but if this is your first time, you should see a few OK operations with the status OK in green. So mine is saying no migrations to apply, but this is how you do the migrations in Netbox and Django. Now, the last thing is I need to restart the server. Since I'm using it this way, I have to Control-C and run it one more time. But if you're using it as a task system job, then sudo systemctl restart netbox is the command you want to execute. So there we go. Now, if I go here, if I try to refresh the page, I should be able to see Netpicker here. There we go. It is successfully installed. Now, in the next video, we're going to see the capabilities and understand the features of this plugin more. Things such as getting and observing the backups and executing automation jobs.